Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 Tremor. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package, mobile office package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got recovery hooks, you got a dual exhaust with rear park sensing, your backup camera. We do get a lovely Pro Access tailgate with this vehicle, which allows you to have plenty of access to your gate. Pro Power on board, you got lights, hooks, and doodads to hold your gear down with a lovely spray-in bed liner that is fully powered, so it will go up and down automatically, with mud flaps on the rear, front, Tremor gripped running board, with blind spot detection, turn light, spotlight indicated, side view camera. And moving to the front here, we got front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior with the yellow accents. Plenty of door space up in the back here. We have floor mats, carpet interior with a lovely flat fold storage system. We got cup holders and storage, heated seats, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course you can fold it down for cup holders and arm space with the yellow Tremor stitched onto the leathering. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front with the upgraded B&O sound system. We have powered windows, mirrors, locks. We got power folding mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. We have our tailgate lights, spotlights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 32 kilometers. We do get this leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control, digital speedometer. We do get one girl, MyV, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my rear, we got our gear select that is collapsible. Got more storage, cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, and it does close. Got your center console here that does turn into an interior work surface. Put your food, laptop, whatever you please. More storage below. We do get our drive modes with rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, and your trailer brake. Pro trailer assist. We got dual climate up front with heated and cooling front seats. 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, and on the dash with 6 upfitter switches. You can set up however you please. We do get, I should finish up here, our nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, auto stop auto start with trail control, and Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. We have our audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls, navigation, pretty easy to use, search recent saved, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power onboard, trailer turn, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA68794, and you can head on down to PG for it or give us a call.